So next is for copy. So as it says, just copy the things that you want. Click on that, press space, specify your base point which you want to copy, and then just copy it from there. So next is for mirror. So as the name states, it will create a mirror from the objects which you chose. So let's select both of these objects. Let's create a mirror. So first, specify the first point of the mirror line. So I would like to have the mirror point downwards. So just specify that point and you can adjust the mirror. So this is the mirror. The line is the mirror and the reflection is the bottom part. So just left click. There you have it. Your mirror of the two objects which you have chose. So they will give you an option to erase the source of the objects which you chose, to erase it or to not erase it. So we don't want to erase it. So just press no. If you press yes, the top part will be deleted and you will keep the bottom part. So the next command is fillet. Let's focus on one rectangle here. So the fillet command actually rounds out the sharp edges of your drawing. Okay, so for new users, just click on the fillet first, and then at the command prompt, choose radius. So you set the radius of your fillet, of your round edge. So I'm going to select 5 millimeters, press enter, and then select your first object which you want to fillet, and select the object which it has a sharp edge. So let's do the left side first. So it will instantly fillet the edge and make it round based on the radius you have set early on. So we have the first fillet. For the second fillet, since we have set the radius, we can just click on the right side and it will fillet the left side. So those are the basics for fillet. Okay, so stretch is basically moving the object. It's the same as move. Select your objects, press space, choose your base point, and you can move the objects wherever you want. And since you want to stretch it, just extend the line to the point. So next is scale. So you can scale your objects to become bigger or your objects to become smaller. So for example, you drew this object and you want it to become, let's say, 2 times bigger. So once you chose the objects, press space, specify your base point, specify it from here, and then you can select how big you want it to expand or scale. So I want it to be 2 times its size. So you can specify the scale factor by pressing the numbers. So I will type in 2 for it to scale 2 times its size. And then there you have it. You have a shape that is 2 times bigger than its original size. Okay, so for new users, for arrays is a bit hard for you to understand. So we will get back in another lesson. So we will go back to arrays at another lesson. Thanks for watching and see you next time.